Before we continue our study on functions, let us learn a little bit about pointers. Pointers, which is always considered difficult to understand, however, it is one of the most easiest topic in C programming. Let us consider this as memory location, and we have assigned this memory location to variable age with initialized value as 23. So our standard statement would be something like this: int age is equal to 23. All memory locations have some address associated with it. That is how compiler accesses the variable. So this age is your variable name. 23 is the value stored at address of age, and this is address. So let us see how these can be denoted in C language. We can simply use age to fetch value stored in that variable. In C, the star is used as indirection operator. To easily understand use of pointers, you can replace it with value at and then read subsequent part. So this whole thing can be read as value at address of age. Okay, so this will signify 23. Let us see how we derived at that value. We are saying value at address of age. So address of age is this, and value stored at this address is 23. So star ampersand age will give you 23. When we just simply say ampersand age, it is nothing but address of age. So very important takeaway from this lesson is of star operator and how it can be used to derive original value from address of another variable. So put it very simply, pointers are variables which store address location of another variable, and hence the pointers can be used to derive value stored at that address location. In the next lecture, we will check how pointer variables are declared and used. In this lecture, we'll check how pointers can be used. I'm taking one example where I'm declaring an integer variable a equal to 10. After that, I'm declaring my pointer. So what pointer is doing over here, I'm using indirection operator at star and initializing an integer pointer named as ptr, and I'm initializing it to address of location a, which is variable that I have declared over here. Address of variable a, and after that I'm printing three integers. First I'm writing star @a. In the previous lecture we have seen that this star can be replaced with value at. So if we just simply read it, what printf statement will be printing over here is value at address of a, that will be 10. Similarly, in the next line we can write star and inside of parenthesis address of a. So both are same. It is just to make it better understandable, I'm writing it like this. So this will also print 10. Alternatively, here we are writing star ptr. So star again is value at, and ptr, because it stores address of a, so this is something like this again. Okay, so this will also give me same result, 10. Okay, so this will make your understanding of pointers clearer. 10 is the value which is stored at a. However, using its pointer, I'm still able to print that value. This is very basic concept of pointers. If you have understand this, there is nothing much complicated into pointers. In the next lecture, we will continue our study on learning about functions and how different types of parameters can be passed to it.